Planning to sell your products globally and want to reach international customers? Are you struggling to figure out the documentations required behind it? Don't worry, I'm here to assist you on that. Hey everyone, I'm Niveda Muralidharan. I have coached over 15,000 people to kickstart their e-commerce business, and I am the founder of Newgen Max, where we help e-commerce sellers to scale their business. So in this video, I'm going to share you how you can start international business from the comfort of your home. If you are planning to sell international platforms, one of the best way to kickstart is using Amazon platform. Yes, you can go and register yourself as a seller on Amazon, sellercentral.amazon.com, where you don't require any documentations like GST. GST is only required to sell on Indian marketplace only. If you are planning to sell your products globally like US etc., you don't require any GST. There is no taxation rules as of now for United States. So you can have just your PAN card and your basic Aadhaar card, driving license etc. to kickstart your process. Apart from this, you also require a credit card on your name with the international transactions enabled so that you can go and register your account. Make sure that the credit card is on your name, else Amazon is not going to accept on this. Why do we need a credit card? We need a credit card to sell on international marketplaces because they charges monthly charges for selling on their platform. It is $39.99 as on date for Amazon.com. So if you are planning to reach US customers, this is the amount that you have to pay per month on Amazon irrespective of your sales. So they need a valid credit card with the international transaction enabled with your name. So generally the documents are just your PAN card. Apart from that, they will be asking you the address proof and the bank statement or the credit card statement in your name. Once everything is finalized, you are all set to sell your products on Amazon. Apart from Amazon, you can also try hands on Etsy etc. But all the procedure what I'm going to share right now, please have it in mind because it is common for all marketplaces. What is common? You have to have few key pointers. First of all, select a product where the international customers are in use. You may have a product in India, but if you don't have a potential customer in US, then there is no logic in selling those products. So please select a product which is in demand in US marketplace. You can use tools like Jungle Squad, Helium 10 etc. and figure out all the hot selling products. Apart from this, make sure that you are sending the products to FBA warehouse in Amazon. Why FBA? Very simple. Consider that a customer has placed an order in the US. Obviously, you would be expecting the parcel in less than a week. If you are going to ship the parcel from India and it is going to reach the US in 15 to 20 days, he or she won't like the parcel and there is a chance that they will cancel the order. So it is always important for us to send the parcel to Amazon FBA location in the US. And to do this process, for example, in India, if you want to do an FBA process, there is something called ABOP, Additional Place of Business. When it comes to US, there is no legal formalities like this. You can send the parcels very easily to the US warehouse without any taxation policies. There is no strict rules on this. So yes, you have to figure out the product and you have to make sure that you are sending the parcels from here in bulk to Amazon US warehouse so that the warehouse stores all your products and they take care of packing, delivery, etc. Now, what are the other things should I consider? So make sure once you have sent the products to the US warehouse, you have start working out on ads. Ads play a very major role, let it be in whatever country or whatever marketplace. Start working on advertisements so that people can know about your products, work out on good pricings and quality of the products. And whenever you feel that the product is going to get out of stock, restock it in advance because you have to send your parcel from your Indian location to the US location. So which may take 15 to 20 days also based on the courier service that you are using. And what courier service is preferred to send parcels internationally? Amazon itself provides FedEx courier service, but personally I won't advise you to go and use their service. Instead, you can approach local FedEx courier or DHL courier or any other courier who can help you in sending parcels to the US warehouse. There is no need of any appointment in US warehouse, so you can send the parcels anytime. So please approach a local courier company who can help you in sending the parcels internationally. So this makes the courier works very easy. Also plan to restock it in time, focus on ads so that you can make a lot of sales. I believe that you got immense value from this video. If you are looking for any support in international marketplaces, do comment the topics that you are looking for, and in the future I will be picking out all these topics and publishing an exclusive video on that. So if you are watching my channel for the first time, make sure that you are subscribing to my channel and hit on the bell icon, and please like the video and share the video. See you in another interesting topic. Bye bye.